I feel like I can snore a lot.
What's the snore come from?
I have tiny air passages in my nose.
Why the sound coming out of your nose, the sound doesn't come out of your ear? Why the sound doesn't come out of your mouth and come out of your eyes? The sound coming from the inside the body, then coming out. So then you have to ask yourself why your body create the sound. Because your memory card is full, so the nighttime they need a releasing, they need a delete. So if in daytime you mentally, emotionally doesn't download, right? Download more sounds, and the nighttime they have less the sound need coming out.
I have recently felt like there is a connection, because when I go to bed happy, I don't think I snore. When I go to bed and my mind, whatever.
That's right. That's the sound. Like that's sad. Right. Yes. Then soon they has a machine come out, came through the sound of the snore to diagnosis, tell you what kind of emotions, what kind of your thoughts, and based on the frequency. Each one has a different sound, right? You should really listen the people snore. It's the symphony. You put a couple people together and create the best symphony. Then can use the snore to make people sleeping sounds, right? The snore is the deep of the sleep, right? You're only at the deep of the sleep. You are snore. So what's that mean? The deep of your sleep, your rational mind doesn't function. Now all the rational mind created garbage has to go through the sound, releasing.